Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency in Revolut. So first of all, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have logged into your Revolut, you will see here your main currency. For example, here are British pounds. And as you can see, if I go ahead and swipe to the left, you will see that there's another account, which is Czech crowns. So basically, once you click on accounts, just like so, you will see all of your currencies which you have maybe used, or maybe you have bought something with that currency in another country, maybe, and you will see all of your accounts here. If you want to go ahead and add a new account, you're going to click Add New. Then you're going to choose Currency Account, and you're going to choose a currency. And that's pretty much it. That's how you're gonna add it. And if you want to go ahead and change it, again, click on accounts, choose the currency you want to use. So US dollar, for example, and that's it. You have changed your currency. If you want to exchange currency, then you're gonna click exchange and exchange it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.